Google AdWords, now known as Google Ads, is an online advertising platform developed by Google. It allows businesses to create ads that appear on Google's search engine and other Google properties. Here's a brief overview on setting up and managing a Google Ads account. Setting up a Google Ads account. Sign up for Google Ads. Go to the Google Ads website and click on Start Now. Sign in with your Google account or create a new one. Set your advertising goals. Choose your main advertising goal, get more calls, increase website traffic, drive sales. Create your first campaign, select the campaign type, search, display, video. Set your campaign goals and budget. Define your target audience, location, demographics, interests. Create ad groups and keywords. Organize your campaign into ad groups, each focusing on a specific theme. Choose relevant keywords for each ad group. Write your ads. Create compelling ad copy for each ad group. Include a headline, description, and call to action, CTA. Set up billing. Enter your billing information to activate your ads. Managing your Google Ads account monitor. Performance. Use the Google Ads dashboard to track key metrics: clicks, impressions, CTR, conversions. Analyze which ads and keywords are performing well. Optimize your campaigns, adjust bids and budgets based on performance. A/B test different ad copy, keywords, and landing pages. Use negative keywords to filter out irrelevant traffic. Use advanced features. Utilize ad extensions, site link, callout, structured snippet to enhance your ads. Implement conversion tracking to measure the ROI of your ads. Use audience targeting to reach specific customer segments. Stay updated, keep up with Google Ads updates and best practices. Attend webinars and read blogs to improve your advertising strategies. Stay tuned to my channel to get updated on technology. See you in next video. Thank you.